welcome to ABS Toys Reveal. Today we're going to be playing with the new toy I just got. And we got it was for free. And if you want it when it's for free, we went to my brother's LP and we got pizza and he gave us 2 tickets and we were with Santa, not the real Santa, but Santa. And then we after a while then we made some ornaments, not big ornaments, like I will show you the end of the video. So now let's get started. So here is a truck. It has a blaster and this thing, and if you hit it with something and you hit it right here, it would just like bounce away a little bit. Oh, and if you have one of these, I need to tell you how to shoot it. But these things light up once you do it, once you put it on, and if you want to use one ceiling house, 3 house, you just have to shoot it somewhere here in the back. If you shoot it in front or right here, it won't count. You just have to shoot it in the back. Because I saw the instructions today. So now let's turn this thing on. Where it's on is like see where these things are. You put it right here, and then you just turn it where it says on, and then it's on. And this is how the remote should look like. And under here is where you blast it, and we have like it comes with 2. And so the other one is I forgot. So let's play with it. But first I have to turn this on. Kevin, yo the Minecraft. Okay, so now let's get it started. I'm just gonna turn it on. Wait. Oh. It says OLN for some reason. I don't know why. So now let's turn this thing on. It's on. See, the way you can know it's on is this has a red thing right here. This shit has, but this thing does not have health. It would be weird to have health, right? Because how would you shoot it? Oh, you think this thing will shoot it? No, because how else would you think this is for decoration? No, you just press this red button and this, and then that's how you do it. Now let's drive it. Okay. Oh, if you want to know how to change the wheels, you just put it like this. And now change the wheels. See? Let's go. Oh. Okay. Poppy, putting it, let's see this fighting can do it. I'm going crazy. I guess track. What? Why did you say that? And the crash. I did. Now I'm do really. We have no idea how to do in slow motion. Oh, come on. Why is the kid saying that? Are you making it say that? Is this so far to go? I don't know what this is for. Now it goes super fast. Poppy, you better record this. Whoa. What? What? It went in here. You shoot. Yeah, you shoot better. I'm dancing. You have to see dancing. Whoa, I'm gonna go slow, but I'm probably with. I don't know. Why can this thing not do it? Wait, stop saying turn around. What? Come on, neck? No way.
Goodbye, that's it. Goodbye, Anthony. End the video.
Okay, let's do. Can't stop. Wait, this is a movie. That's just boring. You can skip it watching. No!
Anthony.
I'll turn this thing off. I told you.
Hey, goodbye.
Can you turn this off, Poppy?
There, it's off.
This is the end of this video, and I hope you put a thumbs up and subscribe. And subscribe if you want to see more amazing videos. And the next one, it might be fighting the hoverboard. And bye, guys.